how to install Python in your computer. Hey, this is Ankit. Today we are going to learn about how to install Python in your computer with two simple steps. Please watch this video till the end because in the end we have an important message for all those who want to learn the Python and there is a gift for you. So let's dive into my desktop to learn about how to install Python in your computer.
Let's see in action how we can download and install a Python in the Windows operating system or a Windows platform. So first you have to go to the Google and search this download Python, and the very first link you will find the python.org. There's the download page. Go to the link and you will find this page. Here you will find the very latest and the stable version of Python for the Windows platform. Just click on it and download it. Now see, it's downloading. In a few seconds it will download, will be complete. Now it's downloaded and I'm going to install it. Just open and you will find some options are there. So let's see one by one. There's a simple installation which will be download direct install the Python in your system. The next option is the custom installation. The third is the install launcher for all users, which is recommended by this setup. And the fourth is a add Python 3.10 to path. That path is a environmental variable where you have to add a path. So I'll prefer always check this option before installing your Python, before executing your Python setup. Just it will by default add a path to Python to your environment variable, right? So after that, when you will click this checkbox, let's move to the custom installation where you will find some different options. Features are there, documentation, pip, and ideally and different things. So all of these are already checked. I'm not gonna touch these things. Let's move to the next page. Now you can see the advanced options. You will find the first one is install for all users. If you want to install your Python which will support all the users in your operating system, so you can go for this one. Else you can install your Python for current user also. So there's a rest options are checked. There's a fifth option is a pre-compiled standard library. I want this option to install the standard library in my system during the installation. And one more thing I want to do, I want to change the path of my Python so that it will install somewhere else where I want to specify. So my current location will be C drive Python 310 folder. Let's move to the install and go to the installation. Now this is a permission I have to give. Let's press yes. Now you can see it's installing different development libraries, standard libraries, and the Python version you can see it's a 3.10.4, right? And it will take a 1 or 2 or 3 minutes maximum, near to as per your speed of your system and the capability of your system and hardware. And now you can see some support files are going to be installed. Now Python launcher is installed. Some bootstrap support files are also it's installing in its setup. So Python is installing so much of components, so much of libraries, so much of different things which are very useful to develop or to perform any operation in a Python environment. So we have to wait for few more seconds and minutes maximum. Now it's going the finalize the installation, pre-compiling standard libraries installing and different things are installing. Now few more seconds. Now you can see setup was successful and finally my Python is installed in my system. So let's close this session right now. So finally our Python is installed, and let's see and verify is my Python is installed. So let's move to the terminal. This is a something is called a run command, which I can open using the Windows plus R key, and here you have to type cmd, press enter. Now the cmd is open. After that you have to do what? You have to type python space double hyphen and the version, press enter. Now you can see 3.10.4. this is the same version of Python I'm able to see that, which is installed. And with the Python there's another module which is very important is installed, that's a pip. You can also check is the pip installed, so it will give you some version of the pip and the location of the pip for this Python version. The pip is an inbuilt module which is installed with the Python setup, which is very important and needful for the Python to install different other modules, libraries, and different things. So pip is very important feature for Python. So if I'll type a Python over there and we'll press the enter, now you can see I'm able to check this terminal is open, and this is the 3 arrow greater than symbols which is saying I am in a prompt of Python. So whatever the things you will perform over there, it will be execute as a Python code. Thank you. Let's close this session now.
It's time for the important message and a gift for you. So, for all those who are interested in Python, there is a masterclass that will be taken by the university professor. Kindly register yourself. Link is in the description. And what is the gift? So, we are going to take 5 lucky winners from that particular masterclass who are going to learn the full Python from the university professors for free. So if you want to be that lucky person, kindly register yourself for the masterclass. Thank you.